How to change the notification tone on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the notification tone on WhatsApp. Whether you want a unique sound for message or a quieter alert, just follow the simple steps and without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop down menu, simply tap on Settings. And once you are in the Settings section, simply tap on Notification. And once you are inside the notification menu, simply scroll down and select Notification Tone under the Message Notification section, and a small window will pop up with the different folders. So choose a folder that contains sound files, typically the sounds folder. And here you will see a list of available ringtones. Now you can listen to them one by one, and once you find the tone that you like, simply tap on one, and once you have selected it, simply press OK to confirm. And that's it. Now you have successfully changed the notification tone for messages on WhatsApp. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.